Contractors Showdown. Get it up, get it up, get it up. You know how we do. I gotta get it poppin'. Don't wanna stop it. Gotta get it pop. Oh. Oh. Thought I could sneak in the game, ain't nobody here. Gotta get it poppin'. Gotta get it. Start waiting for team reactions. Game. Ooh, ooh, I just wanna get down. I just wanna get down. I'm the man. I'm the man. Oh, I'm the man. Oh, I'm the man. I'm the man. I'm the man. Hey, I'm the man. Hey, I just wanna get down. I just wanna get down. Oh, oh. Love it. Gotta love it. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, that's nice. That's what I'm talking about, attachments. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me get my attachment so I can get attachment. I ain't never do this before, but I'm gonna head right to the door. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna shoot him in the face. That be the case. Hey, gonna get him. Do I need a laser blazer, baby, baby, baby? Oh, oh, do you really want it? Oh, oh, that's better. Yeah, player, player. Spray. What you want to spray it with? What you want to spray it with? I ain't even got no skins. Cause I just started playing. I don't think I got no skins on me. You wanna, yeah, I'm in a little dark room, am I? Okay, let me see. Okay, since I got that gun, go back. Baby, I want a sniper rifle. This one looks cool. Let me get a attachment. I need that. Yes, I do, player. You know what I need. That's all I need, I guess. And the bullets, for my bullets. Ain't got no bullets, okay. Cosmetics. Nothing. Skin. Guess I ain't got no skins on that either. Go back. Titty to that. Oh, I go back. Titty to that. Shotgun. Look like I like that one. No. Yeah. Okay. You say any way. Oh. Attachments. Yes, sir. And yes, sir. Back. Let me see if everything is still there. See, it took everything away. How do I say save? I'm out of here. Back. Ooh, 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 ooh. Back. Ooh, 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 ooh. Back. I ain't got no friends. Friend request. I ain't got no friends. Recently played. I need a friend. I need a whole bunch of friends. I need a friend. Party request. None. Party. None. Invite a friend. I know what to do next time. I know what to do next time. And I'm going back. Back, 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 back. Oh, go back. Go back. Stay tuned for the next episode of Tall Man Q Gaming. See you folks.